All right, folks, we've got here the EV Rider Transport 4AF. This is a four-wheel. This is a new version. All the ones before this one were three-wheel. Actually, it was two wheels close to each other in front. Now these wheels are more separated for better stability. So this is the EV Rider Transport 4AF. So when you get the scooter out of the box, the first thing you'll notice when you get it out of the box, this plastic cover is in a plastic bag. That goes over the battery pack over here. So the first thing you have to do when you get this scooter out of the box is remove this from the plastic bag. Take your battery cable, the two battery cables right here, that's your lithium battery. It'll be disconnected. So you just connect the two blue cables together, make sure they snap, push it in there, then put your battery, put your cap back on, okay? So you would do the back first, I assume. Nope, you'll do the front first. And then you'll do the back. So front to back first. So now you've got your battery pack in here. It's connected. That's the first thing you do when you get your scooter. So let's talk about this scooter right here. This little scooter here is a self-folding scooter. It has a weight capability of 250 pounds. So this is for people who want something lightweight. Now it does weigh 51.8 pounds. So let's just say, for sake of argument, 52 pounds to round off the number. So it's a 52-pound scooter. It self-folds. So let's go to the folding first, just to show you how it folds. Then we'll go over the scooter in a minute. So to fold this scooter here, you have a fob right here, a key fob, okay? So the first thing you need to do is make sure, turn the power on here, and then hit the green button on here, hit the red button, and you will see, by hitting the red button, the scooter will fold. And once it's folded, you can turn the power off here, and then you can raise it up right here. There's a handle right here, and you can roll the scooter around by turning the wheel, okay? So if I was going to lift this scooter, I would probably grab, not the tiller here, but I would grab the bar right here, the metal bar, and I would grab this bar right here, the two bars right here and right here. This is 52 pounds, okay? Right here. So that's how I would raise it up, okay? Don't grab it by the plastic, by the fender. There's a bar right here, and there's a round bar under the tiller right there. So make sure that, so now let me show you, you can roll it around just like a suitcase, okay? When you're gonna unfold it, do not leave it up when you're gonna unfold it. Make sure you put it back down, turn your power back on this little switch right here. You can use the key fob by hitting the green button, or you can hit the green button back here, which I'm going to do. So you can use the key fob or hit the green button over here, and now it'll unfold. Okay? The back of the seat always folds down. That's normal. That's because you want it to fold down when the scooter folds, okay? So now I'm going to put the keys back in here. Turn the power back on. And I'm going to turn the scooter around so we can do it this way. So let me show you how to sit in this scooter here. So when you sit in the scooter, okay, you're going to put your feet up here. You're not going to put your feet on the fenders. These are cheap. These are only decorative, okay? Put your feet right there. Then you can go forward, you can go reverse, and you can still turn the wheel, okay? Now, the length of this scooter, for some of you want to know this, the total length of the scooter when it's not folded is about 33 inches, okay? The width of the scooter is about 17 inches. So I've got 17, you know, the book might say 16 and a half, but I'm just doing it kind of fast. 17 inches. The seat size that I'm looking at right here says 15 by 13. So 15 wide at the widest part, 13 deep. From the back cushion to the front is 13 deep, okay? You also have on this scooter, on the tiller, you have a horn. You also have headlight. So if you look at the scooter in front, you can see the headlights right here, which you didn't have that before. And you can also see back here, you have tail lights right here. So for a little fold-up scooter, it's got quite a bit of, I'm gonna bring it over here. Pretty neat little thing. And you have a speed gauge right here, so you can go from fast to slow, or slow to fast, okay? Right here. And you get 2 keys with your scooter and a key fob, okay? And again, as I said, you have a horn. You have your forward, your reverse. If you want to go reverse on this side, just push this forward. On this side, then it'll go reverse. You can drive the scooter, if you only have one hand, you can go forward or reverse with your thumb. Okay? So now this scooter has a total distance, travel distance of about 10 miles on a battery charge. Top speed is about 3.8 miles an hour, so it's not a really fast because it's a portable, foldable scooter. But a weight capability of 250 pounds, a total distance of about 10 miles on a battery charge, and you have solid tires all the way around, so you're not gonna have any flat. And you get a charger. So when you charge this scooter, you'll take the charger that comes with your scooter, right here, and your charging port for the scooter is right here, okay? And then you plug it into the wall. When the light turns green, your batteries are full. Pull it out. I would suggest you put this tab back on right here when you're done so it doesn't break off, because it's a real, you could easily snap this little, even if you snap this cover off, don't worry, it's not, but if you don't want to snap it off, just shut it. That way there's no chance of snapping it, okay? So this is your charger. One more thing about the scooter, it does come with an owner's manual. I'm going to turn the lights off. It comes with an owner's manual, a charger. Also, there's a knob right here in front. Some of you want to know what that means. This knob is to extend the tiller higher. So if some of you have tall arms, you cannot bring the tiller back and forth. It's fixed at one position, but you can bring the tiller up and down. I'm going to bring it down to the low position. Earlier I mentioned to you that the width of the scooter was about 17 inches. That is correct for the rear, but I was made aware that the front is 18 inches, 18 and a half inches. So the front tires are a little wider than the back tire. So remember that, about 18 and a half inches from outside the front tire. That'll be your widest part of your scooter, 18 and a half inches. Also, this scooter here comes in 3 colors. This is supposed to be the gold color. We also have red, and we also have blue. So let's recap. This is the EV Rider Transport 4, the new style 4-wheel scooter they just came out with. This scooter has a 250 pound weight capability. It has a 10-mile distance on one battery charge. The seat is 15 inches wide by 13 inches deep, okay? The tiller is adjustable. You also have a speed knob for adjusting your speed. This scooter will go up to 3.8 miles an hour. You also have headlight and tail lights on this scooter. You get a key, you get 2 keys and a key fob. You can fold the scooter with the key fob, or you can fold the scooter through the rear right here. If you ever lost your key fob or the key fob did not work, you can also do it from the rear. So this is the EV Rider Transport 4 4-wheel that just came out on the market, and it's available right now. So 3.8 miles an hour top speed. I'm 6 foot tall, 180. So you can see how I look into it on it. It has a total weight of 250 pounds. There's no problem putting more weight on it. Solid tires all the way around. 4 wheels now for more stability. So it's a real cute little scooter. Has a good turning radius for a 4-wheel scooter. As you can see, I'm going to try to turn it sharp. And this is a self-folding scooter, as you saw in the video. And it has the headlights and it has the tail lights. So pretty neat for a little scooter. It has the horn, 250 weight capability. Total width is the front is like 18 and a quarter, 18 and a half is the largest, the widest part is in front. So if you want something that folds, and this scooter weighs 51.8 pounds, so I'm going to say 52 pounds total weight. So this is a nice portable scooter. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.